Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What about you?
Our shooting going to finish.
Yes,
Okay. Only few more days remaining.
yes,
Now we reached in Haryana.
yes. Very
It's
beautiful
a very
place.
beautiful park too.
Yes, yeah.
So many birds, animals we can see.
Peacocks.
Some peacocks also there.
Yes,
Very nice. Enjoying the trip, huh?
Yes, enjoying.
Very good. Practice also going on.
Yes, practicing.
Okay. Result getting, huh?
Yes, getting.
Improvement seeing.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Congrats. I also feeling so. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
You're getting more and more improvement seeing.
Sir, what we are going to practice today?
Actually, today we will do a beautiful game.
Okay.
It's a puzzle game. Okay.
Ah,
We two people in between doing it. We say reverse kiss.
okay.
Normally we are familiar with the kiss and all.
Okay.
Not that kiss.
Okay.
What a kiss?
Kiss, kiss.
What a kiss?
Kiss competition. Kiss
okay.
competition.
Now we are doing a reverse kiss competition.
Okay.
Got it, my point.
Okay, got it.
Start with the fruits names.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You keep a fruit name in your mind. Okay. With
Okay.
asking questions, I am finding the answer.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay. What is the color of that fruit?
Red.
Okay. What is the shape of the fruit?
Round.
An apple a day keeps away doctor. You are an
Yes.
apple. Congrats.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, correct.
Wow.
Congrats.
Congrats.
Ah,
Now your
okay.
turn. Okay.
Okay.
Ready.
What's your color?
Almost a purple color. Little bit brownish purple.
What's your shape?
Shape round in shape. Small round.
Your small round.
Yeah.
Purple color.
Purple color. Yeah, very common everywhere.
What is the taste of your?
Not fully sweet, not fully sour. Between sweet and sour.
Okay.
Okay.
Your grape.
Congrats. Oh,
Thank you.
your brain is working, huh?
Yes.
Okay. My turn. Okay. Ready?
Okay. Ready.
Okay. What is the color of the fruit?
Yellow.
Yellow color.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the shape of your fruit?
Round.
Round in shape.
Yes.
Yellowish round.
Yellowish round.
Okay. What is the size?
Size less than apple.
Oh, you are less than apple.
Yes.
Yellow, when ripen it become yellow or full time yellow?
No. Ripen time.
Ripen time it become yellow.
It become
Other
yellow.
time it is green.
Greenish.
Okay, you are lemon.
Yes. Congrats.
Congrats. Okay. Okay, your turn. Ready.
What's your color?
Actually, my color is green.
Okay. Shape?
Can't say round or other shape. It's having its own shape.
Green.
Green in color. When it ripen, it becomes greenish yellow. We can say greenish yellow when it becomes ripen.
Okay.
My name also I am carrying the apple, but I am not apple.
Are you custard apple?
Oh, congrats!
Thank you.
Well done. Okay. Now we will go with some vegetables. Okay.
Okay.
Vegetables. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You keep a vegetable name in your mind. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ready. What is the color of the vegetable?
Green.
Green color. What is your shape?
Stick
Just like a stick. Very long shape.
No, not too long. Some ladies touching.
Okay. Your name is your lady's finger.
Yes. Congrats.
Okay. Your turn. Ready.
What's your color?
My color is red. When it become ripen, it become red.
Okay. Normally?
Otherwise, it is green.
Okay. Your shape?
I have a crown in my head. Shape almost round. Not a full round. We can say apple shape.
Okay.
Just like apple. I am a vegetable as well as a fruit.
Are you tomato?
Oh, congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Now my turn. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. What is the color of the vegetable?
Green.
Green color.
Yes.
What is the shape of the vegetable?
Lengthy stick.
Lengthy stick.
Ah.
You are a drumstick.
Yes. Congrats.
Okay.
What's your color?
Color actually light brown.
Okay.
Yellowish brown we can say.
Shape?
Shapeless round we can say. And very common in everywhere, especially in North India.
Your potato.
Well done. Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay. How is the game?
Very nice.
Enjoying?
Enjoying.
Then you can practice with your friend through phone. Take
Okay.
a WhatsApp.
Okay.
Video call where you can do this practice.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Yes, good idea.
Good idea. You told us somebody you practicing through social media, Messenger, WhatsApp. You told.
Yes.
You told.
Yes.
It's a candy or something.
Yes, candy.
You can make a video call and practice the same idea.
Yes, I'll call.
Okay.
Hi, Candy.
Hi Vignesh,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what's today?
Today we have a game.
Game.
Yeah.
Oh.
Baba sir is with me.
Okay. Baba sir is with you. Say hi. Say hi for.
Yeah.
Hi Candy,
Hello,
how
sir.
are you?
Fine. How are you,
You
sir?
told
He's saying-
about you also practicing by getting idea from Vignesh.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, continue practice.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, anyway we will meet together. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Carry on practice.
Yeah, Vignesh.
Yes. Today, today, reverse kiss. That's the game.
Reverse kiss.
Yeah.
What's new in this?
Um, first, first you think a bird name.
Okay.
I will ask the questions about that.
Okay.
Let's play.
Okay. You ask me first.
Okay. What's your lip color?
My lip color.
Lip color.
Lip color red.
What's your color?
Green.
Okay. Are you a parrot?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You are right. Absolutely right.
They can give a congrats also.
Okay. Congrats.
Congrats. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Now my turn.
Okay.
What's your wing color?
Violet.
Violet. Peacock.
Yeah. Peacock.
Yeah. I guess.
Congrats.
Congrats. Thank you. Now your turn.
What's your color?
My color is full black.
Okay.
I always fly in sky. I'm going from one nest to one nest.
Okay.
Now guess who I am?
You are a crow.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Super.
Super.
Okay.
Okay, let's practice in animals. Okay.
Okay.
Now you ask.
What's your color?
I am very fat and I am grayish in color.
Grace
Say who I am.
You are elephant.
Exactly, bro. I'm elephant.
Okay.
Perfect. Now my turn.
Okay. Ask. I am living in forest.
Okay. Where are you in forest?
I am living in cave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe that animal is so dangerous and so wild, right?
Yeah. Dangerous.
The king of forest?
Yeah. King of forest.
It's really interesting, bro. Nice to play.
Make a thrill in between through WhatsApp.
Okay. We can make a thrill.
Okay.
Okay.
End up with this with a thrilling song.
Yeah. We can make a thrilling song.
Can we take some our favorite song?
Okay. Super. 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 Congrats. 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 Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Okay, sir.
How was the practice?
Very nice.
Very enjoyed, huh?
Very enjoyed.
This type of practice you can do with your friends also. You
Yes.
have so many friends in social media.
Yes.
And the same practice, okay?
Okay.
Through WhatsApp, Messenger, where you can make a video practice.
Okay.
Video call practice, okay?
Okay.
And we will wind up with a thrilling song.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Super. 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 Super.
Super.
Super. Super. Super. Super. Congrats. 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 Bye. 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 Bye.